Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, if this is the first time you're ever seeing my face, my name is Millie. So guys, I know I look pretty official, but this is the most spontaneous video ever. It's the middle of the night and I thought to myself, why don't I turn this insomnia into something positive? Okay, so I'm here to film a video for you guys. I'm going to be showing you guys 5 ways of turning your button-up shirt into a very casual, unofficial shirt. You could be coming back from work wanting to meet up with your friends and you don't want to look so official. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to, revamp your look a little bit, turn your official shirt into something very official. You could be meeting up with friends, having some drinks, and I'm going to be showing you guys that in a moment. So consider subscribing to this channel if you haven't already. I appreciate it so much, for even clicking on this video. I love you. Thank you guys so much for watching. So now let's get right into the video.
Lost, trapped in my own lost cause, but then you came and you stole my heart away. Crippling, this love you give to me, wondering, do I deserve to be this happy after all the things I've done? I can't seem to find my goddamn place. See, this what I can't seem to find your face. I can't make you a mistake. I would struggle, I would fight, stay up all fucking night to be with you, just to be with you. Go back in time, I'll try, make stars collide, I'll cry, just for you. I can't seem to find my goddamn place. See, that's what I can't seem to find your face. Cause you, your love is true. Here's
you so much for clicking on this video to watch. If you enjoyed this video, kindly give it a thumbs up. Tell me what you think in the comment section below. If you're going to be recreating this, also let me know in the comment section. And I'll see you guys in my next one. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please click the subscribe button, press the bell sign, so you never get to miss any video from here on out, and you'll be the first to get notified whenever I post a new video. So as you can see, I'm actually wearing the last one I recreated, which was, you know, the necktie type. Okay, and I love it. Love it so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.